Hello, this is Ollie the repair dude. I'm revisiting this free Galaxy Note 5 and try to fix its proximity sensor issue. As seen in the previous video, this phone has a proximity sensor issue which, when it's activated, it will not unactivate when I release it by putting my hand far away from it. When I press down the earpiece speaker, the sensor works fine. But when I release it, the sensor continues to work fine and the problem continues. So I'm replacing the proximity sensor on this phone. I had already removed the back glass and the mid-frame off camera, so I began by disconnecting the battery. Then the display connector. Then the digitizer connector. Then the bottom connector on the motherboard. I tried to disconnect the antenna cables, but it was unsuccessful. Then I tried to feed the motherboard, but I forgotten to disconnect the assembly which contains the earpiece speaker, proximity sensor, light sensor and the LED. Then I tried to feed the motherboard again. So I pry the motherboard. Slowly it's freeing, so I disconnect the antenna cables below. Finally, I rewound the antenna cable, so I tried another one, carefully prying the connector. Try to wiggle it off, try to pry, and finally I get it free. The last thing to free the logic board is the dock connector. So I pry the dock connector and it finally free the motherboard. I started off by removing the earpiece speaker. Then I pried the entire assembly using an opening tool. Then I pulled the entire assembly. Finally, I freed the entire assembly from the phone. Then I attached a replacement assembly. But I decided to clean the sensor windows. Then I attached the entire assembly. Then I attached the adhesive and the metal brackets for the assembly. I then install the mid-frame on this phone. I then try to turn on, but the phone doesn't turn on. So I'll be trying to turn on off camera. I entered the test menu, entered the sensor test, and test the proximity sensor. It worked fine again. I will be receiving this phone off camera. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and comment on this video, subscribe to my channel and share this video. Please donate to me via my PayPal to support me. Link in description.